So this week we're in the Globalis Maioris. I'll put the name up now. You know what I'm like with with pronunciations. So some people are calling it, most people are calling it Globalis, and other people are calling it the one beginning with M, Maioris. Anyway, here is the room. So we came in through this door here. Had to put our key card in there to get it to work. That's probably the electrics in there. The light switch. And so we've got some open drawers here. And mini fridge camping here, which isn't fully stocked. Then we've got some wardrobe space there. Weird safe. You've probably got to pay extra for that, which is kind of disappointing. I don't like the fact you have to pay to keep your stuff free. So yeah. Some extra pillows. I couldn't think of the name for pillows. Lots of coat hangers. We're here for 4 nights, so that should be enough. But if you were here for a week, I don't think it probably would be. Then we've got a full length mirror with me. A TV, a little desk area. 2 bedside cabinets. Do we have any USBs? No. We've got some plug sockets. Telephone. Lights. Oh, they are on. It's just not very bright. Oh, that's cute. A little seating area there. With a little table. And a bookshelf. Same that side as the other. 2 single beds instead of a double. Right, and then the bathroom. Is this light now? Ooh, the back lights there. And that's those lights there. Temperature controls. So hopefully there's air conditioning. Whoa, bathroom. So a huge mirror, hairdryer, sink, and soap dispenser there. Let's see, we've got a bin, bidet, toilet, some hooks on the wall, towels. Do we have? There's 2 hand towels. Yeah, there is 2 bath towels. And then sort of a walk-in shower area there. I don't know what this is here for, really. I don't know. It's as if there was like a shower, or maybe that's just to hold the glass. Yeah, probably just to hold the glass in place. Sort of an average room, I'd say. I was in a 4-star a couple of days ago, and I've got to be honest, that seemed a lot better. Quality and amenities definitely than this so far, but you know, it's early days. Lost a pandy. I think he might be out here. Yeah. It's out there. So outside we've got seating area. How are you?
Hiya guys.
And then we've got a nice like kiddies pool area down there and some gardens. We're in Block A. We're in room 320 in Block A. Quite a busy road there. I'm hoping we're not going to be able to hear that road from our inside our room, and the door is shut. And that's the main bar, I think. Am I right in saying that's the main bar?
Yes, on the
yeah.
side.
Somebody's got a nice balcony down there. There is the sort of balconies or... Yeah, so you're overlooking other people's balconies. And yeah, quite a nice view. Yeah, I probably... Marks out of 10 so far. Okay, that's Pandy's
Oh, sorry.
review. What do you think of it so far?
6, maybe a 7.
Really?
Yeah, maybe. No, leave it, maybe 5 or 6.
I'm going to give it a 4 or 5.
know
I'm being quite harsh, I think. But yeah, that's just my personal opinion. And yeah, I don't like the fact at the moment it looks as if might have to pay for a key. I'm going to come and use this better lighting. May have to pay for a key for the safe, and that they wanted to charge us extra for coming to the room. So I think that put a bit of a downer on things. I've been spoilt. I think that's the problem with all these holidays. I have been spoilt, but we'll keep you updated and let you know how things are going on as they are. My hair needs a wash because I've been travelling and up since 2 o'clock this morning. It's been a very long day, but there you go. That's the room tour for where we are today. Bye. Hi. Now I've had time to live in this room a bit. Sadly, I'm not impressed. There's the little things like the toilet seat doesn't soft close. I know that's not a big thing, but it's one of my pet hates. Because at home, I just knock my toilet seat down and it softly closes. Now I just bang every time I shut the toilet seat, so that's my own fault. But infuriatingly, there's no soap here. There's 2 soap dispensers, one by the sink in the bathroom and one actually in the shower. And one of these ones, I'll put a picture in for you now, that you press to get the soap out of, and I'm just constantly trying to press it. Just had a shower that spat at me because the shower isn't very good at all. The water pressure isn't good. The handheld thing, so you've got the shower over and then you've got the handheld bit. The handheld bit is good, but it's hard to control where the water goes, I find, with that when you're trying to wash your hair and everything. So that was a bit disappointing. And there's no information at all. The hotel didn't give us any information when we checked in. We don't know what time things are. We don't know what's going on. And I assumed there would be something on TV in the room maybe, or some information booklet when we get to the room, but there was nothing at all. So we don't know where to go. We don't know what to do. And it would be nice just to be told some information, some things. So that, and the issue with the safe, and yeah, the no USBs, and I mean, they're only little things, but I wouldn't put this as a 4-star, definitely not. More 2 to 3 star. Cleanliness, I think is absolutely fine. It looks very clean. Could do with some licks of paint and things, but cleanliness isn't a problem. There's marks on the furniture and scuff marks and tiny little abrasions and things, so yeah, that's you get that in any hotel room. It's just I'm going to have to go out now and buy some soap because I need to wash my hands, and of course wash when I'm in the shower. I have got shower gel which I've been using to wash my hands, but it's no ideal. So yeah, it's just little things like that. It's a shame that I think it's a shame I'm going to be waking up on my birthday morning here, and that's really not a nice thing to say, I know. And maybe I'm overreacting because I'm tired, but yeah, there's just little things that this hotel could do just to make it that, well, so much better. Really, that would make it a lot better. So fingers crossed, things go onwards and upwards from here. And Pandy's in the shower. He's absolutely fine. He thinks the room is fine. There's nothing the matter with the room. So it's just obviously me. So each to their own. And we're just about to go out. and see what the food earlier was lovely, the food at lunchtime. So I'm going to go and see what the evening meal's like, and if there's any entertainment, because we haven't got a clue.